How to upload video and photos together on Facebook page for your Facebook page. This tutorial shows you how to create a mixed media post with both images and videos on your Facebook page for your Android device. First, open the Facebook application on your Android device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. This menu is accessible from any tab or page on Facebook. Now, scroll down and find your Facebook page under Your Pages and Profiles. Tap on your page to switch to it. You'll now be managing your page instead of your personal profile. Tap on What's on Your Mind box at the top to create a new post. Moving forward, tap on Photo/Video to add media. Your gallery will open showing all your photos and videos. Select the photos you want to include by tapping on them. Each selected item will show a blue checkmark. Now tap on videos to add them as well to the same post. You can mix and match photos and videos in one post. Afterwards, once you've selected all the media you want, tap Done at the top right. All your selected photos and videos will appear in the Post Composer. You can rearrange them by tapping and dragging if needed. Add a caption or description in the text field above the media. Choose your audience by tapping on the visibility selector. Once everything looks good, tap Post or Publish at the top right. Your mixed media post with photos and videos is now live on your Facebook page. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you upload videos and photos together on Facebook page, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.